Install the RAM and also the SSD, and then we can actually put this into the other stuff. So for the RAM, I have 16 GB to 8 gigs. Here we have 4 slots for the DIMM, and we always use the alternate ones. They also give like a color code here, like 2 blacks and 2 grays. I'm gonna put this into A2 and B2. So we install the RAMs. The next is going to be our SSD, 1 TB M2 SSD. This motherboard actually has 2 M2 slots. So we have the 1 TB here. I'm gonna put this in the first slot. Let's see the length. It's actually 2280. So put the riser here in like this, press it. Our SSD is also installed. Okay, so the initial setup of the motherboard is done.